So now that we have already seen how to download these references and we are going to use EndNote, I just want to download a sample paper to use. And I'm going to download this paper. So when you click here on a sample paper like this one, you can download it. I have full access to this. I can download it using this. So I can click here and download. I had already downloaded this. So I can just click here and open it. So when you open it, it opens, gives you all this information. And this background information is the same information that is here in the background. So I'm not interested in that one, but I'm just interested in this simple background here. So I'll copy this and bring it to a Word document. I'll create a Word document, a new Word document, and paste my work there. So the work has been pasted there very well, and I have my references, but this time in a numbered style. So I want to produce the same document, but now with references. So I just put the word references here so that everything I do will be put here. So let me save my document and it is available. Let me call it climate change adaptation, and it is saved here. So my first reference here is what? I'm not going to use a specific reference here, but now remember we downloaded the reference. So we are going to use the first 5 references in the order the way they appear. Now I need to first set up my EndNote. Let me scroll down, and now my EndNote is open. I already have some groups, so I'm going to click here and then create a new group called climate change adaptation, because that's where I want to put my references. So this group is empty, as you can see. Now with my EndNote open, I'll go to my downloads where I had downloaded the citation, this one, and then I double click. So when I double click, it will start importing, and it has finished importing, and my imported references are here. So they are now under unfiled. So I need to put them where they belong. So I highlight all of them, then I drag them here. So now they are under the climate change adaptation label. Now with them, now I will call this one number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. We are going to use them in our document because we have 5 citations. So I will select number 1 because I want to use it here. So number 1 is here. So I will delete this. Then come to my EndNote here. There is this thing called cite citation. Then because I had selected my number 1, I will click here and insert it automatically. It goes there. And now I need to turn this one on. When I turn it on, it automatically shows the reference that I have put there. And then it puts it down below. So whatever you cite up here appears here. But then it is not showing it as a number simply because it is in APA 7th edition. So I will change this one to numbered. So when I do that, you can see it brings it the way we wanted it, number 1. And it labels it as number 1. So you're going to follow the same thing. This is number 2. Now I'll come to my EndNote. My number 2 is here. It is already selected. I minimize. I come here, insert selected, and my number 2 goes there. Sometimes instant formatting is not done, so you just have to click on update citations so that it is updated. So number 2 is there and is already put down here. You can repeat the same thing with number 3, number 4, and number 5, but I want to use a different approach for number 3. So number 3, this time I'm going to use this option. Number 3 is here. But this one, since they are the same person, I'll try to skip this and I maybe call this my number 3. And when I put this as my number 3, the first name is Banham. So I will double click or select this name. This time I'm not selecting here, but I'm going to use this option. Sometimes you may need to use this option, you may not need to select. And then I come to my Word document, and then where it is, instead of using selected citation, I use insert citation. Then I click like this, and then I will type that one there and click find. So when it finds it, I'll click insert and it will automatically be put there. And when I click update my citations, my number 3 will be put here and down there. Then I would use the same thing, number 4 and 5. So number 4 and 5, since there are two ways of doing it. One, you can select number 4, assuming this is number 4 and 5 at once, like selected, and you use the selected option. So you come to your document here, click here, and then insert selected, automatically put the 2, and click update, all the 2 will be put there. Alternatively, you can put one at a time. So when you are going to put one at a time, it is tedious, but you can as well do it. You know, this is Komba and this is Kumasi. So you can come here, insert citation, and you know it is Komba. Select, it comes, you click insert, that will be 1. Then after that, you again click insert, and now you know you are going to put Kumasi. Find, then insert. They have both been inserted. Then you click this. It will do the same thing like we did for selecting all of them at once. So this is how you put citations in your document. And if at all you find that, oh, number is not the right financing style, like now here we use APA, you just click here and select APA and everything will be updated. You can see the numbering has gone off. The year now comes immediately after the authors and everything here. When you click this, it shows you that these ones have been cited automatically. One last thing that I want to talk about, you can see all these ones, they are within. What if you want to say according to, and this time let me use my article. So what I will do, I will go back to Google Scholar and I look for my article, which is talking about related article, adoption of climate smart agriculture. Just like that, I can say in Shema district. So when I do this, it brings for me, suppose bring for me a certain article. Maybe I need to do, okay, I need to go back, not in my library, but in the real Google Scholar thing. I put this, it should bring it here, and now I can save it. Remember, we are saving it in climate change adaptation here. Now I click it here. Now it is saved there, but the problem now, when I'm to again import this, it will import even the other one, duplicating what I had put. So this time I will instead click on cite and it brings for me, see my name, it is there. So this time I will download it as an individual file. So when I click here, it comes as a scholar, not citation, because it's one. So when I open it, automatically it will open. You see, it has opened in my EndNote because it was open and it is not filed now. So I will move it to this. So the other side is already there, but now I brought it as one because I never wanted to duplicate. So it is available in my work here. So I want to cite this one here. So what I will do here, I will just do this. This is Mugisha. So I come to my document here and I say according to Mugisha. So I will do this, insert citation, and then type it there. I find it. It is here. It is already appearing in another document. So I select insert. Then I can put a comma. So now you see it has already updated. According to Mugisha, maybe smallholder farm the adoption of CSA practices is affected by, so you indicate what that person quoted. But there is a problem. Mugisha et al. Is inside here, but we need it outside. The name of the author should be out and the year inside. So how do you overcome this? You click here, then you come to edit and manage citations. So you can see by default, that is a default way of doing it. So now we are going to change it to display as author outside and the year inside. So we click this and press OK. So what that one does, it pushes the authors outside and then the year keeps within the brackets. This is how you can do it. APA citation does that very well, and then the name is there. And since this document has the DOI, then the DOI appears at the end as well. And remember, you can switch from what you want to what you are having to what you want. So you can see when I switch, also it says according to Mugisha, Agore, and then puts it as number 6. And then you find that it is put here. If I go back to maybe I go to this one, it will also have another way of presenting its work, numbered in brackets, and puts the details there. And you can see now here the DOI, the HTTPS thing goes away. So you can explore many styles, but at the end of the day, you have to use the one that the institution wants. And for our institution, it is APA, and this is how it appears. Thank you.